when you place selling limited order, you give a price. So you agree to sell at this price or higher than this price. So it is a limited order and it is a determined price. Now remember, limited order is only type of order that investor give the price when they place order. For other type of order like ATO, ATC, or MB, investor don't need to give the determined price. Investor don't need to give any price when they place ATO, ATC, or MB order. There are four main features of the limited order, as you know in the last lecture. The investor will orders a determined price, or the investor will give the determined price, and the order will be executed at the determined price or better. So how to understand better? Better means lower price in the buying LO and higher price in the selling LO. And no guarantees about the execution time. Now remember, the limited order has the lowest priorities to be met in one session. What does it mean? It means if I place limited order and you place other type of order like ATO, ATC, or MB, so your orders will be met before my order. Okay, now remember, LO is a type of order having the lowest priorities to be met in one session. And about the time that limited order is effective, or the time when investor could place limited order. So as I mentioned in the last lecture, you remember investor could place limited order at any time in any session. Now, how many sessions do we have at Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange? How many sessions do we have? Do you remember?
3 sections.
3? Okay. Now, there are 3 main sessions at the Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange. From 9 to 9:15 a.m. we have the whole market matching session to determine the opening price. And in the from 9:15 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. we have the continuous order matching sessions. And in the last 15 minutes from 2:30 to 2:45 p.m. we have the core market matching session to determine the closing price. So there are 3 main sessions at Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange. And in Hanoi Stock Exchange, we just have 2 main sessions. When the market open at 9 a.m., we have the continuous order matching. And this session continue to 2:30 p.m. And from 2:30 p.m. to 2:45 p.m., we have the last session. It is the core market matching session to determine the closing price at Hanoi Stock Exchange. So if you want to place limited order, you could place order at any time you want in any session, because limited order is effective in any session. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember: if you place limited order in one session, and at the end of this session your order is not met, so your orders will be transferred to next session automatically. Okay, for example, if you place limited order at 9 a.m. now at 9 a.m. you place limited order and at 9:15 you see it is the end of the first session at Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange, your order is not met. So this order, this limited orders will be transferred to the continuous order matching session automatically. Okay, so it is rules or regulation of the market. The remaining limited order or the unmet limited order will be transferred to the next session in one trading day okay, automatically. So in the features of the limited order we learned in the last lecture, right? So now, look at this example here and answer the question, how could the buying limited order at 21,000 dong be executed? Now in this example, you could see we have two sides. We have buying side and we have selling side here. Now it is the buying side and we have the selling side here. Now in each side, we have the buying price and the buying volume, selling price and the selling volume. Now in the buying side, we have one limited order, this order. Now 21 is called, how we call 21,000 dong here? It is now how could we call 21,000 dong? It is the price that investor give when they place limited order. So it is called determined price. It is a determined price. Now look to the selling side. Now in the selling side, we have three price available here. There are three limited order, okay? And it is also called the determined price. Now we have three determined price, 20.5, 21, and 22,000 dong. It is a selling price. Now the question here is, how could the buying LO, the buying limited order at 21,000 dong be executed? Now we could do this example. How the buying limited order at 21,000 dong be executed? Now the determined price in this order is 21,000 dong and it is a buying LO. What does it mean? The determined price is 21,000 dong. What does it mean?